Time to ride. What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. As y'all can see today, we are in the Cutlass. We about to ride, man. Finally about to take the longest. Nah, not the longest. Definitely not the longest. I said that wrong. It's gonna be the first, I say, lengthy ride on with the rear end, and since everything been done. So I'm about to head to my hometown. Get some more gas. I just like to keep the gas, man. I like to keep 10 gallons at all time between the Camaro and this car. As y'all can see, y'all getting this video. So the dyno appointment, they couldn't get it in Friday, so we didn't make that happen. So I hope Monday. If they can't make it happen Monday, I'm sorry y'all, but y'all probably not gonna see what the Edelbrock do. I got that carburetor sitting there. The dual line came. I just got a regular dual line, ain't nothing special. I got it next day because I want to put it on today. The dual line came, and the card bracket or the throttle bracket would be here today too. So I literally got everything I need to put that carburetor on there, and I want to slap it on there. I'm telling you, I want to slap it on there because I know it's gonna be a difference. But I'm gonna wait. Cause I got that stuff. I put a rush on it. I was really hoping and thinking I was gonna hit the dyno today, but I'm gonna wait. But if they can't get it in Monday, then we just gonna. It's just gonna be a mystery. It's just gonna be a mystery. But I'm about to get these old heads out of here. The heads that came off here. They some paperweights. I'm probably take the roller rockers off. Use them. I'm just set these in the garage for now, and then after that, throwing the heads away. Cause one of them cracked, obviously. So I'm gonna set these in. That's crazy. I forgot I had this weight back here too. So we're gonna get these in. Out, I meant, then set the GoPro up and we're gonna ride. Y'all see it? I'm on the phone, man. It's a lot easier than trying to grab that and drive. See, we ride, man. Real light drive. I'm almost in my hometown, man. We ride. Look how cool this thing runs. Man, this thing don't even think about getting hot. Good oil pressure, good bolts. It's just a good running car. This thing run too cool, y'all. So we about there. We on the way. I'm gonna go grab some gas. We'll get the gas first. And then I might hit Cedro up and see if I can pull up on my little bro. Let y'all see his cutter too. When we ride together, boy, hey, it's gonna be epic. So I'm gonna hit him up, see where he at. We probably pull up over there. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. Got some more. Another 5 gallons. I was just in there talking. I said, man, I might just buy a drum, y'all. A 55-gallon drum. Have it at the house, man. It'll be better. So I'm gonna get this loaded up. And I'm gonna hit Cedro up. Man, I skipped the gear. Went straight to third. That's why a flow shifter is needed. All right, y'all, so we back. You retrieving my package. Just got my package. It's on this and there. It's from 918 Motorsport. Oh boy, Jill. Huh? That ain't from 918? Huh? Oh, it is? They came early. Oh yeah, they bust them open right quick. Look, y'all gotta see the new merch, boy. I've been waiting on this. Wait, hold on, all these shirts. What the so what the thing get there? Y'all see these new merch? Wait a minute. Let's make sure. Yeah, these the shirts. So y'all got to see these new design, but y'all seen a little shakedown, a little light shakedown. It's gonna be pretty straight. I turned it up a little higher. I ain't never turned it up that high, but that first one I put just in car cause wifey didn't catch it good again. She said I don't look at it. Let me see. Yeah, look at that. Hold up. I don't wanna hold up. This the new design. Man, I love these. I love these right here, man. The Gunner print. Let's show on the back. Yeah, so y'all get these, man. They you have to just click below my video. You can get these. These limited time, limited quantity. Show the other ones. So we got the Gunner print right there, and then we got the Marley print. But I'm saying, drove this thing all day, literally. Pretty much almost non-stop. Never cut it off. Ran good. You know, we went and got the gas. We gotta get the gas out the trunk. Then I came home. Still, I cut it off for a second. Wait the wife to come out, and then we went and made a little shakedown. I said I'll give y'all some kind of action on the video or whatever. So next time I'm gonna get the this the white one. I forgot I got different colors. So this the little Marley print. I think this I don't know this. I don't know whose shirt it is, but it's the Marley print. That's the white. Let's show on the black. Then we got it. Nah, I got the Marley print on the black though. On the black. Then we got that available in black too. Women's, kids. I think the kids actually got one of these right here. Yeah, so. Nah, look, she getting confused. She don't even know what she holding up. Anyway, this the Marley print, limited edition. So definitely go get these. All that good stuff. Kids, actual women's tees, men's tees, long sleeves. I got some long sleeves right there. I bought some for the family, but you can go order. You just click that link. It might not be showing these particular shirts, but you click the link, then you'll be able to see them and all of that. So y'all definitely go get that get the merch. I appreciate everybody that do and shop. Said these are limited quantity. They will not be on sale forever. And the sizing, the way the shirts fit, I'm gonna get some models, men, women, just different sizes, and buy some merch, and y'all can see how they fit real world with different people, different sizes and heights and stuff. But I sell the tall tees, they offer them, and if you want the sizes, you want to go one size up for the purposes of when you wash them. So like I wear a large in shirt, then you buy extra large. Then you wear extra large, buy 2X, cause they kind of a snug fit on the shirt. So yeah, that's that. So I thought my card bracket from 918 Motorsports would be here. It's supposed to be here today. I'm gonna have to check the tracking. But yeah, man, I'm ready to put that new carburetor on. I can't wait. This thing here ran good, man. It was a good, fun day. Just a day of riding, literally a day of cruising. You know, sometimes it's good to just get in your car. Don't even have a destination, man. Just ride. That's really what I did today. I went and got some gas, but mainly it was just to put some miles on it. Put some miles on the car and just really enjoy it and all that. And yeah, man, I'm ready to get that new carburetor on. I've taken a few of the comments of the last upload. I seen my guy, I can't remember his name, the username. He was talking about how it's gonna be hard to idle and stuff. Yeah, it's true, y'all. There's good solid info, and throw that out there. Cause it don't have a choke tower on it. So yeah, those carburetors, it's you know, little harder to fire them up and get them to idle and stuff, but they can idle. They just ain't, it ain't gonna fire up and just boom, sit there and run like this carburetor right here do. I can tell you that. So it's a give and a take, but it's more catered toward performance. I mean, it's gonna perform better. It's gonna make more power now. That's a fact. That is a fact. It's gonna make more power, and that's really what I care about. But when it get warm, see, it ain't gonna do this. It ain't gonna be all that. It ain't gonna be all that right there. After it get warm, it'll probably do it. But I'm ready to put it on, man. I'm ready to put it on and all that. Man, let's all hit it awesome today. Thing run so good. Thing run good, but yeah, I mean, it felt pretty good. I heard the Supercharged, the best I ever heard it, cause I literally never turned this car up, even on the burnout videos. I just don't turn the car past 4,000 RPM. I never did. Car haven't saw 5,000 RPM yet. And I just do that for a reason too, cause people will look at your car, they'll be like, oh, that's it. It ain't turning up. It's just my foot not turning up. It ain't the car, believe me. So, you know, sometimes video work to your advantage. You can show a person what you want them to see. You can make a person think what they want to think. And that's what go on with the Cutlass. So we about to I'm about to park this thing, and tomorrow might be working on some collabs and stuff with some people and all that. So y'all, we might have that coming. And I got something else I supposed to told y'all. Oh, the Camaro has been crunked. Camaro has been crunked. It was a starter relay, I think that's what it was. It has been fired up. It got a look, it's running funny to me. So I got it. I sent it somewhere. Well, I ain't gonna say I sent it somewhere. I got it at a doctor. I say that. I got it at a doctor. Just getting checked out. Just make sure everything. But it is fired up. It's back running. I just ain't brought it home. I want to make sure everything get looked over and all that. Cause I'm about to start really giving it to it. So yeah, we got Camaro, John Jones, boom boom, ready to go. That's what I had to tell y'all. So yep, that's it, y'all. I hope my converter for Dolo gets finished. I hope it gets finished. Probably next week, so then we can go ahead and get this car, have this car towed down there to Hustle Hard, and you know, I get my engine with my I put it like this. Everything already down now. I already got everything down there except the car. So yes, everything's sent down now. All I gotta do is send the car. That's it. Everything else is there. So yeah. Hopefully next week we get the billet torque converter, and then we'll get this car rolling. I am gonna change the drive shaft. I'm gonna have one actually built, cause I don't wanna twist that one up right there, cause the engine gonna make some power, or making some power I should say. So I don't want to twist that one up. So I'm just gonna whole brand new drive shaft. So when I get the car back, it probably won't have a drive shaft in it. I'm taking it to an actual driveline shop, and letting them measure it so it's the right length and everything. Put the Spicer U joints, the whole 9 in it, and then when I pick it up from there, it'll be drivable, ready, nitrous on it, big pills on it, everything ready to go, and all that. Oh yeah, somebody asked me too, am I gonna put AC on the Cutlass? Yes, we're putting AC on the Cutlass. Only thing it's missing is a condenser. Everything works. So I'm gonna pop the condenser in there, charge the system up, and then the Cutlass will have AC. So yep, the whole 9. All my cars gonna have AC, horsepower and snowballs. All my cars, horsepower and snowballs. And the Monte Carlo should be back next week, cause y'all keep asking me about that in the comments, but I guess people ain't listening to the entire video, cause I keep saying where it's at and what's going on with it. And what else? The people that say, oh yeah, somebody got mad. Somebody got mad cause I showed the box, but not what's in the box. Hey man, listen. I already said I'm not showing nothing with Dolo. So it is what it is. I didn't have to show that I got a box. I was just being generous. I said I'm showing I got a box. I ain't gonna show what's in the box, but y'all know Patriot. You know what it is. It really ain't nothing to see. It's some headers. It's headers. It ain't nothing to see. But I tell you, boy, some of y'all guys, y'all get triggered about the smallest thing, man. Y'all kill me. SDC, y'all kill me. That's what I'm gonna start saying. But anyway, let me park this bad boy. I'll catch y'all tomorrow, cause I got work to do. I love y'all guys and y'all haters too. I love y'all too, man. God say love everybody. It's on a serious tip. I just like to mess with y'all too, like y'all try to mess with me. But anyway, on that note, y'all, I'll catch y'all tomorrow.